Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the tool review series. If you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsoundvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. I went Christmas shopping and I ran across this item here. It's a DeWalt 4-pack of bar clamps. So let's go ahead and give this a review. Just one second, let me readjust the camera and I'll be right back with you. Okay, here's a closer view of these bar clamps. There's two clamps, two of the larger and two of the smaller. The larger clamps have 300 pounds of clamping force, throat depth of 3 1/4 inches, and converts to a spreader. The smaller clamp, 100 pounds clamping force, 2 7/16 throat capacity, and this also converts to a spreader. Nice packaging here. So far I'm pretty impressed with these. They feel pretty strong. Let's go ahead and open these things up. We cut these zip ties here. Okay, here's one of the larger ones, and here's one of the smaller ones. Get all this cardboard off here. Each of the bars has a cardboard tube covering it up. Go ahead and get this pulled off of here. Might have to cut it. There we go. Throw all that away, get it out of the way. Okay, we'll start with a smaller one. Very nice and compact to the hand. Feels really nice. Of course, you pull this lever here to open it up. Squeeze it to clamp, just like any other bar clamp. Now, if you notice the pads, it has these indentations in the rubber covering to help with the slippage, help prevent slippage. These are reversible. If you, let's see here, you'll have to take a screwdriver, Phillips head, and take out this screw here, and then just place it on this end, screw it back on, and then it'll be your spreader. Very hand friendly. I like this so far. So the larger one, almost the same design as the smaller. Now this one, to turn it into a spreader, you just push this button, slide it off, come over to this end, slide it back on. So if you need a spreader, you just put this between something, tighten it up. Very well made. I like it. I like it a lot. So I have a piece of wood over here. Let's check the clamping pressure on this. I'm going to put this back to a regular bar clamp. That's connected on there. I didn't put this on correctly, so let's put this on correctly this time. There we go. Heard that snap there. spread this part again. Let's check out the clamping pressure on this. I'm putting a pretty good torque on there. And it is crushing the wood here on this cheap wood here. So if I shake it, nothing is moving. Very good. I think this will be very, very useful in my shop. I don't know about yours, but for mine it's going to be great. Let's check out the smaller clamp here. I'm going to go side to side this way this time. Great clamping pressure here. This is not releasing at all. Shake it, it hasn't moved a bit. So, would I recommend these two clamps? Yes, I would. Now, I have seen these on sales for around between $20 and $25 for the 4-pack. I've even heard a story where they're going for under $20 for the Christmas season. But between a 0 and a 10, I would give these bar clamps, I never give a tool a 10 because there's always a way to improve. But I would give these an 8.5 out of 10. So, I would encourage you to check these out. Run by your nearest hardware store. I got these at Home Depot. So, I don't know if they're going to keep them in stock or just a seasonal thing or what have you. But I encourage you to check them out. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like and subscribe.